Welcome back once again. In this practical class, we are going to create a simple personal profile web page using the HTML element that we've previously learned. So, by the end of this practical class, we all should be able to use headings, should be able to use paragraphs, line breaks, horizontal rules, bold text, italics text, and underline text together to structure meaningful web page content. So, let's start. I'm going to create my file. I'm going to name my file profile.html. Right. Okay, and let's run this. Okay, so I'm going to first of all change the title of my web page to, let's say, my profile. Right, to my profile. Then for the content that I want users to see, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to add a main heading. All right, and I'm going to be using the H1 for it. Let's say my personal profile. Okay, my personal profile. So now after this, let's now what add an introduction. Okay, let's now add an introduction. And for the introduction, I'm going to be using a p tag. And what the p tag does, the p tag is going to make any content inside it to be on the next line. All right, it's going to make any content inside it to be on its own what fixed width. Okay, though people do say it's for paragraph, yes, actually, in HTML, the p tag is for what paragraph, but you don't normally see the effect until you get to CSS, where you now know how to now use styles to now what manipulate the p tag to actually give you what that actual paragraph that you are now what looking for. Okay, so let's continue. I'm going to be saying my name is, yes, I'm a web developer. Right, let's say enthusiast. Okay, let me break this so that you see everything. All right, so you can see what we have. Okay, so let's continue. So now the next thing I'm going to be adding here is an about me section. All right, is an about me section. And before I do that, I'm going to be adding a horizontal rule. All right, so you see the horizontal line here. Okay, then we are going to be using the h2 element to add it. So let's say about me. All right, I enjoy learning and building things with technology. Okay, let's continue it. I can say my goal is to become a better, let's say, tech expert. No, let's narrow it down to web development. All right, so I'm going to be using the b tag here. Let me move it downwards. Okay, and use technology to solve real world problems. All right, so you see what we have here. You can see this is our normal write-up. The only difference here is what this web developer here that I placed inside the B tag to make it what bold. Okay, remember they can all still be together. They can all still be together. You can have it together like this. All right, it's not going to cause any issue. It's still going to be the same. You can have it together. Okay, it's still going to be what to be the same. All right, but I just did it like that so that we are going to be seeing everything that we are typing. Okay, so after the about me section, I think it's ideal to add a contact us or contact information. So after this here, let's add a HR. Right, let's add a horizontal row, then H2 again, then contact information. Right, then let's use the P tag here. You can say email. Say contact at gmail.com. All right, then let's say phone. You can say 0701112223334. All right, and we can say location. You can say Nigeria. All right, and you can see that they are all what kind of together. Okay, you can see they are what in one same line. Okay, so to make this be to make this to be under what under this email here, remember the tag we are going to use is what the br what tag. All right, so let's go and do that. So after the email here, we are now going to make use of the br tag. All right, okay, then after this phone number here, the br tag, so that the location is going to be beneath, all right, or is going to be in the next line. Okay, so now you can see what we have here. You can see what we have here. All right, and this is our full code, what we just did right now. Okay, don't forget you can still make this to be bold. All right, you can make it to be bold. You can include it in a b tag. Even the phone number or the phone, and the location also. All right, so you can see it. And don't forget, if in case you want to italicize, okay, let's say let us italicize this name here. All right, I'm going to cut it. Then okay, so you can see the name here. Let's use capital letter for E and capital letter for L also for for computer here, capital letter C, capital letter S, then my here, capital letter. Okay. All right. So you can see what we just achieved using the few tags we just learned about. We just learned about. All right. You can see what we just what achieved. All right. So try as much as possible to do yours and get the same what results. All right. You can still add more. You can still make this to be what more personalized to suit your own taste. Okay, can still make it to be more personalized to suit your own case. But in all, make sure you are able to what to do something, and make sure you are able to what to have what a productive what and a positive what result.